So hello guys, my name is Azialamron. I am a Khasi. I'm from Assam State. So the topic I want to speak about today is about these Khasi girls who are totally blames our Khasi tribes and who are betrayed our Khasi tribe. She totally uploaded her videos from social media. She said that she don't want Khasi tribe. She only want that other tribe, means like being
I don't like Kazi. I don't like Kazi. I like my boyfriend, the car.
knows. So my request here is to speak about this Meghalaya government to take action about this girl, what she has done and what she blames on our Khasi tribe. It is not good to do this thing at this moment. This Khasi tribe has sent videos from her upload of Instagram and else, and this Khasi girls has totally betrayed our Khasi tribe. So I request to the governments of Meghalaya to take action about this girl, so that every girls from Meghalaya will not do this again, who are studied about Bangalore or who are studied in a different stage or different country, so that they will not do again these things of this has maybe this whatever in this news will be okay. So I want to speak about this governments of Meghalaya to take action.
What the fuck, yeah?
Will be judged and will be watched. And next time of this video, if you want to get informative videos, so subscribe my channels and I will be listening to any of you. Thank you.